Today I'm going to be testing out this Radian Ram Jet. My first time ever shooting the Ram Jet with the bronze barrel. I just installed it yesterday, so I'm about to see what it's like. I got a 6x target. I got 2 mags loaded with 15. I'm even testing this Amin 2 magazine again. I had some kind of, sometimes it works, sometimes it just blows straight out the gun. So we'll see today, but I got a 6x target. I'm gonna do what we call walking back. So I'm starting at 3 yards, then going to 7, then going to 15. On the right, I'm going to do thumbs forward, parallel thumbs. On the left, I'm gonna do thumbs down. I heard nothing but great things about this Radian Ram Jet, and I also watched videos where it shows that the Ram Jet does seem to be very effective. I'm about to find out. First time shooting the Radian Ram Jet in the Gen 5 Glock 19. Thumbs forward, top target on the right, a little bit past 3 yards. Now I'm going to 7 yards. Middle target on the right, thumbs forward. $15 yards, 5 shots, bottom right target. Top is 3 yards, middle is 7 yards, bottom is 15 yards. So the 3 yard made me feel like, because I was pointing straight at the X, 3 yards is close. So everything's still a little to the left. It's not my trigger pull. I think that's more based on the sights. I might gotta drift them just a touch, just one more tap. 7 yards, pretty decent. Maybe the sight's all right. Maybe it was just me, but I was pulling the trigger real consistent. And then at 15 yards, got 3 and a 9. Those 3 was a nice little group right there. 1 and a 7, and 1 and a 6. So now we're going 3 yards with the thumbs down grip. 3 at the top, 7 in the middle, 15 on the bottom. Now I must say, I can feel the effectiveness of this Ram Jet, but if I compare it to my coworker's Glock 19C with the ported barrel, that does shoot flatter, a lot flatter. No knock on the Ram Jet, it's good. That 19C is different. 3 yards, 5 shots, thumbs down grip, top left target. Seven yards, middle target on the left, thumbs down. Five shots, 15 yards, bottom left target, thumbs down grip. Thumbs down on the left, I can honestly say parallel thumbs does feel more comfortable, but this target tells it all about thumbs down. At 3 yards, pretty much all 5 shots is basically in the same spot. The 7 yards, as you can see, all in the 10, slightly in the 9. 15 yards, 1 in the 10, 2 in the 9, or 3 in the 9, and 1 in the 7. Right side is parallel thumbs, left side is thumbs down. Like I said, parallel thumbs feels better in my hand, but thumbs down seems to be more accurate based off the target. So that's what it is, y'all. Real quick test of the Radian Ram Jet. 2 different grip styles at 3 different distances. And I like what I see. Till next time, Mega Guns, ThinkMegaTV, think greater than and above all, be responsible. Bang, 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 bang.